So, okay. So, okay. So what is the, okay, you see my screen now? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we are talking about the workshop activity on the workshop number 4. Supposedly you have the data there. So you have the workshop, yeah. So I do not need this one here. So I can read it on the other monitors. So not to have to, okay. Okay, so, wait a second, let me hit. Okay. So in this workshop, you will learn about maps and geospatial visualization. Download the files for Tableau Workshop for TWBX. We will use the following worksheet: the map data layers and custom territories. And then introduction and reading. When you install Tableau, you will find a latitude and longitude data under the data source. And then Tableau supports postcode level information. Yep. So basically, this is for the geospatial analysis. Okay. So, okay, let's open the file. So, okay, now. So this is the Tableau, and then file open, Tableau Workshop 4. Do you want to save the changes? No. All right. So we have now opened the Tableau Workshop 4. Yeah. So the from Professor Singh, open the Tableau from the Windows Start menu, and then open Tableau Workshop 4 TWBX. So we have the data here. So the data is the data. So first, when you open the file, so you need to open the data. Yeah. So okay. So what kind of data do you have it here? This one is Professor Singh want us to use the worksheet called map data layers. Map data layers. And then for the map data layers, connect to the states. Oh, okay. So we use the states data. Yeah. So we use the states data. This is the data that we are going to use. So in this data, there is location here. Location, and there is an icon here like the globe, yeah, the globe. So this icon represent the longitude and latitude. Yeah. Okay, so when you have a globe here, the data is let's say the data, if they have a globe here, meaning that it is having latitude and longitude. And then this is number of house, percentage of house. Okay, number of pet house in Alabama. In Alabama, how many house they have, and then the percentage of house with pet. 60% having pets in Alabama, and then number of pet house is 1088, and then percentage of house of dogs. Yeah. Okay, and then yeah, so this is all the data. Dog population in Arkansas, percentage of cats, yeah. So percentage of cats population in Arkansas, and then yeah, so basically this is the data, the data source. Okay, so let's open the map data layer, and then Professor Singh used the worksheet called map data layers and connect to the states cats dog. Then right click on location. So location is the states, yeah. Or you can also change the data. Let's say if you have this is the location and then you want to rename the data, yeah. Let's say location change to states, something like this. Okay, all right. So you can rename the data, yeah. So from the data you can rename it and then make alias, okay, create calculated values, fill. You can also create new data using create calculated field. Yeah, let's say from this is the percentage of house of with pets. So you can have a calculated field to you can create a calculated field to calculate the percentage of house with pets, something like that. So basically in this data source you can rename, you can create new field, yeah. Let's say you have the data from Professor Singh and then you create new field, you create new calculated field, yeah. So you what we call it is creating feature engineering, create a new feature from the data that Professor Singh provided to you. Okay, so we have that in map data layer. So we have states here. Okay, so according to the step that Professor Singh asked us, okay, first is right click on the location field under dimension, okay, states, and then double click it. Right. Okay, so in states we have the data of longitude and latitude. Yeah. So this is the states. Yeah. You can have the this is Washington, this is Oregon, yeah, etc. So this is basically the longitude and latitude of the data. All right, and then in location, so what do you want to know from this map? Yeah, what do you want to know? So what is the color tells you about household growth? Household growth, yeah. So the data is household growth, not there. So let's say if you want to know the number of percentage number of household, so you can bring the number of household to the color, something like this, color. So you can bring the measures to the marks. You can bring the measure to the mark and see what is the color tells you about. So you pick color, yeah. So you pick color. So this will inform you that the thicker the color, the more the number of household. So in here we can see that California has the most number of household, yeah, in 1,000. So it is 12 million household in California. In New York, 7 million household. In Florida, 7 million household. In states, in Texas, 9 million household. The thicker, the thinner the color, the lower the household. Dakota is 272,000 household. Yeah. So California is the most dense states in America. Yeah, the most. Okay, this gives you the idea of what is the most, which is the most states in the most dense state in the America. with the highest households population. Yeah, so this gives you the idea for this one uh, 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 map. Okay, so we have here color, size, label. You can put the label as well to the to the uh, 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 to the color of states. So you can bring the number of household to the label. So you can put, you can see the number, the number of household in the each of the region. Okay, and then you can also put the states dimension in the label. So you can name the area: Utah, Colorado, Kansas, Missouri, Kentucky, yeah, New Hampshire, Minnesota, Dakota. Yeah, so you can use the color, the label, yeah, and then you can also use the size. Okay, so the size, let's say you put the number of household in the size. Yeah, okay, size of the circle. Yeah, you can make it a circle here. Yeah, so this one is the biggest circle and the lowest circle in Dakota. So you can do that. So in doing it with the circle, you can choose what kind of circle do you want. Let's say this is the label, this is the number, this is the circle, and then you can wait a second. This one is shape. Okay, you can change into the shape. Yeah, you can change to shape. You can change to when you change to shape, it can be like this, like an Wi-Fi range. Yeah, Wi-Fi range. So you can use the shape, and then in when you use shape, no. Okay, the shape is here. Yeah. Okay, so you can also filter. Okay, you can also filter whether you want to see with the range of you can change the range that you open only after 4 million, above 4 million household. Apply. So only above 4 million household. So you can see the states with more than 4 million household. Yeah. So you can have it filtered. Yeah. So it is in size, and then in shape you can change the shape into like using the other more shapes. You can have it like this. Okay, you can have it like this, the box, and then or the stars. Yeah. Okay, and then you can also, okay, no need to use filter, and then you can make it full again. Yeah, so basically this is what you can do when you have the maps. Yeah, so let me share you again the order from Professor Singh. Yep. So basically, he want us to create the shape, to edit the shape of each of the states, and then uh, uh, develop the map layer. Yeah, the map layer. Yeah. Okay, the map layer. So he want us to using the data layer. Okay, let's do it. So in this is the map layer. The map layer. So he want us to set the map layer, and then he want us to click on the base, land cover, coastline, and then country region borders. Okay, and then state province border. Yeah, already. Yeah, and then the layer using housing units growth percentage. Housing units growth percentage. There is the data also there, the housing units growth percentage in the data source for the layer by the state with the orange blue diverging. Okay, so we have it here. Yeah. So that's it. This is the end result of the maps. Okay. If you done this and then you save as the file, as the package, yeah, Tableau package or workbook. Let's say 44A, yeah, 4A. So that means that you have done one analytics, yeah. Okay. So accordingly, so Pak Singh requests us to save the workbook. All right. Okay. So when you upload the file to the assignment, let's say it is assignment, Professor Singh can open the chart, the chart that you developed. And then question number 2, assignment practice number 2 is, okay, so far so good. Any question from you guys?
So far so good, Pak, from me.
Okay, good. And then next is creating custom territories. Custom territories, this one. Okay. Professor Singh want us to use the worksheet called custom territories and connect to the world busiest airport data source. This one. Okay, so here's the data. The airport is ATL. Year 2015, the passenger is 100 million passengers. What is PEK? Okay, this is the Hong Kong. Okay, Hong Kong. Okay, all right. So this is the data source. All right, and then custom territories. Okay, so let's see again. The airport having the globe. All right, so this is the globe representing the longitude and latitude. So the table is airport. All right, so this is the airport. You can double click the airport. Okay, we got it. So this is the longitude and latitude of the airport. This is the Lex. Lex is, all right. Okay. All right. ATL Atlanta. No. Atlanta kah? This is the name of the airport kah? Dubai kah? And then Hong Kong, Peking, Hanoi. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 airports, international airports. So Professor Singh want us to he want us to double the latitude. Okay, so you put the latitude, click Control, and then drag to the right. Okay, so there will be two maps because you double the row. So the way is click Control and then drag it to the right. Yeah, when you have it, click Control and drag to the right. So it will make it mirroring the maps. So the map will be mirroring. Here we have two maps. And then click on the first latitude field first latitude field, and then to activate its mark card and change the mark type to field map. Okay, mark. Okay, to the field map, and then okay, let's see. We have their measures here. Passengers. You want to know the passengers detail. Let's say you go bring the passengers to color. Yeah, the passengers to color. Passengers to the color, and then passengers to the okay, passengers to the size. Okay, let's see. And then the airport to the labels. Okay, so the size. Okay, the sum of passenger. Okay, sum of passenger. This one is the color. So the more thicker the color, the more dense the traffic for passenger. So this one is 100 million passengers. This one only 64. This is 89. So this one ATL, Atlanta kah? Atlanta. Okay. So this shows that the Atlanta has the most dense passenger. Okay. And then okay, so while this country is selected, the command will appear. Yeah. What is this airport? The country group. The country dimension. What is dimension? There is no country. Oh, custom geocoding kah? So we need to use the what business airport here. Okay, change the data. So this one supposedly the data, the words business airport, not the geocoding. Okay. So the country airport. The country. Yep. So the airport is there. The year, the country. Okay. And then custom territories. Show me. Okay. So let's do it on the one page only first. And then you see that the passenger 2015, let's see, bring it to the size. Okay, the passenger 2015, the passenger is put it in color. Oh, null kah? Wait a second. Passenger, bring it out. Okay, bring out again. The country, bring out again. And then you see what is the order here? The country. This is the airport. And then put the country on the label. Okay, the country is there, and then in the country you can do filter. Okay, it is all there. Okay, and then the passenger, you bring it to the size. Okay, so sum of passenger is okay. What is sum of passenger? The word business airport, sum of passenger is here. Wait a second, let's see the data. Passenger 100,000 million. Okay, the airport. Oh, okay. Hasfield Jackson Atlanta International. Okay, let's see the airport label. Oh, okay, wait a second. Okay, so bring it down again, bring it out. Okay, so let's do it with the country. Okay, bring out the airport. Okay, bring out the country. Bring out the sum. Okay, and then you see here the one that's with the globe is the country. Ah, okay, okay. What's PGS airport? Yes. Okay. Okay, let's do it like this again using the previous one. Okay, using the airport, correct. And then the passenger goes to the color. Okay, so you have the population of the passenger from the thinner color to the thicker color. The thicker the color, the more the population. And then the passenger, the airport name, put it in the label. Okay, you can have the airport name here, and then the size. Okay, on the size you can also change the format using the shape, and then you can rearrange the shape into more shapes, like this one, yeah, or box or circle, or the fill in circle, yeah. And then this is the shape, and then the area, and then the year, longitude, number. Okay, so what does Pak Singh want us to do? Right. Okay. Drag the control and drag the latitude to the self to the row, and then he want us to copy here and here. So we have it two maps, yeah. And then for the top maps, use the lasso tools from the view toolbar. View toolbar, use the lasso modes. View toolbar with the lasso modes to select all the field areas in the Americas. Okay. Lasso modes, view toolbar. Where is view toolbar? Okay, format, view toolbar, lasso modes. Okay. Oh, okay, this one. View toolbar. Wait a second. For the top maps, use the lasso tool from the view toolbar to select all the field areas in the Americas. I think there is no view here. View toolbar. View toolbar. View toolbar. Where is it? Is this the version? I don't know. So there is no view toolbar in my Tableau. Do you have it, Iqbal? View toolbar in your site? Wiryawan, do you have the view toolbar?
Okay.
Do you have the view toolbar there?
Don't have, Pak.
Don't have. Okay. All right. No worries. Okay. So basically, in this Tableau, basically, you have to make the use of the all the marks here, so you can create more of the you can create all of the your insights requirement. So let's say in this area, okay, you want to create more into like filter, yeah. So you can create filter into the data, and then or you can change the sum of the color, edit the color, so you can create let's say orange blue white diverging, or color blind color. That is color blind color blind, yeah. Okay, so let's something like that. So it is all depend on your area of interest, yeah. So regarding I'm more interested in looking at the data first. So you have the data for your assignment from resourcing. Let's see whether I have developed the data. Okay, wait a second. The assignment kah? Airbnb, this one kah? Okay, I think this one. Okay. Is this the only data? Oh,
CSV file Pak, yang Airbnb yang udah Word file, apa yang udah Excel.
this one? Oh, this is your data kah? For the assignment?
Yeah.
Okay, for the home sales only one row, only one column kah?
Masih mesti di itu Pak, yang masih CSV file Pak, masih datanya gabung jadi satu, mesti di. Kalau home sales Pak, if the home sales, the terms is a bit confusing Pak, karena mereka apa ditulisnya singkat-singkatan. CSV file masih.
Okay, no worries. So this is quite interesting. So you have this one, the host ID, host since. So this one meaning host since. Host ID is the customer kah? Customer ID ya? Okay. Host since the date of residence, yeah. This is the name. Oh, this is the name of the hotel. No. This is the name of the area. This is the neighborhood. Prototype. Oh, this is the apartment. Okay, Airbnb for the renting the apartment, yeah. Bedroom. And then room type. Okay. And then zip code. Okay, you have map here, zip code. You see? This is the globe data. And then the beds, number of reviews. Okay, price of the. Okay, you can also create analysis in the price, review on the scores. Okay, interesting. So let's try make one. New worksheet. Airbnb. Yeah. Okay, let's do it with the zip code. Okay, this is the zip code. Okay, you can okay. So the data is there already. So the map is there. You can bring all the measures towards the marks. Very easy. Okay, let's say the price kah, the bets. No. What kind of data do you want? What kind of insight do you want? Let's say you put the based on the, let's see in the data source. This is the neighborhood. Only one neighborhood kah? No country kah? Okay, so you can bring the neighborhood on the color. Bronx, Brooklyn. Where is it? United States kah? Okay, zooming. Okay. Bronx. Okay. All right. New Jersey. Okay. So the property type, the number of reviews, color. Cannot see. Okay. Let's see the source here. The name. What kind of name is it? The area kah? The neighborhood. The apartment. Room type. Host review scoring. Okay. Let's see here. Zip code. This is the zip code. And then name. Okay. Review of score rating. Okay, this one is Airbnb. Yes. Post ID. The zip code is there. Okay. So let's put another way. Okay. Okay. So we have the neighborhood in a row, and then we see number of beds in column. So something like this. Yeah. So we have Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens, Staten Island. So this is the performance. So you can flip. So you can use this one to flip it, swap, yeah, between column and rows. Okay, Brooklyn, and then you put a label on the, this one is sum of bed. Okay, you can put a label here, so you can have the numbers set here. Okay, so Manhattan is 24,041. This is one analytics already. Yeah, this is one analytics. Yeah, only using the neighborhood and the beds. Put the beds in the label. Okay, and then what else do you want to know? Let's say if you want to have the review of the score ratings by the name. Oh, okay, because it's not that there. Neighborhood, and then the score ratings. Okay, you can flip it, and then what is the score ratings? the label. Okay, high score here, and then you can also change the using the line. No, not the line. Yeah, bar is okay. Pie chart. Okay, not the pie chart. Not easy. Or using the bar. So the bar is okay. And then a lot of insight actually. Let's say like property type. The property type, and then you can have the property type by price, and then by you can on top of them, you can put on top of them the price. Okay, let's put here, and then put neighborhood. Yeah, so in the Manhattan, yeah, or for the apartment, Manhattan is the highest one. Yeah, for bed and breakfast, sorry, for the house, Brooklyn is the highest price. For the loft, what is loft? Manhattan is the highest price. So you can group the property type. Okay, you can group the neighborhood by property type. Yeah, you can do it like that, and then you can change the color as well based on the neighborhood color. Yeah, so this will be different color for neighborhood. So this one is one type of the analytics. You see the result from this feasibility for apartment. Which one is the highest price? Yeah. So okay, this one is price. Yeah. And then number of bed, and okay. So you can also create, let's say, by the host since third, and then number of bed. Yeah. Okay. So in 2008 until 2014, 2015 going down the sales of beds. Yeah. Okay. Do you want to know which area has the most drop of beds? Okay. You can bring the neighborhood to the here. All right. Okay. Which one has the okay? So okay. So this one is interesting. This one is the neighborhood. Neighborhood bring to the color. Okay. So okay, you can see that in 2014 the peak of the sales, Manhattan has the highest sales of bed, 6,500 beds sold in a year, rent for the Airbnb sales, yeah, from Manhattan. Okay, and then yes, there is some decreasing in sales, and then you can also change the chart using the line. Okay, not the line like this, but the line like based on the so by the way, put line first. Yeah, so a lot of ways to go deep into the data. Let's say this is the neighbor in year. This is the country, the city then. And then you want to know the property type. That's interesting. You can bring down property type here. Oh, right. So it goes something like that. Okay. Okay. So it so you can have triple degree, yeah, digging triple degree to the earth to see what is happening. Which in Manhattan, let's say in 2014 in Manhattan, what kind of types that sell the most? Apartment. Okay, Manhattan is for the apartment. Okay, so apartment give the most sales in Manhattan. In Brooklyn, apartment and house. In Manhattan, there is house. The highest house is in
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn. Yes, indeed. So this.
Oh, Ella is very smart, yeah.
Yes, very smart, Ella. So this is the way you dig the data using the Tableau.
Geospasial.
Geospatial, indeed.
Pak, you
Geospatial
know
is using
what?
the maps. Yep.
Pak, I have a story about geospasial because I used to work for the company kan. Jadi to find a location, titik coordinate and so on, using an app.
What apps? ArcGIS or Tableau?
No, Besarta. Oh, bukan itu, bukan pakai Tableau. Jadi ada kayak kita kerja sama ATR gitu. Jadi kita kayak kayak apa ya? Kayak ngeploting tempat gitu loh Pak, kayak daerah tanah segala macam pakai geospasial.
Yes, indeed. So
jadi pakai.
So basically all is for the current time, geospatial is highly used now.
Yes, it is now.
Your let's say your store, the geospatial location, and then there is devices that is moving around in the parameter of your geospatial. Let's say 100 meters or 200 meters from your store geospatial location. So each device can be, you can send the message to each device that is around 200 meters from you. That is what we call local marketing as well. So we use geospatial to send campaigns nowadays. Okay, so yeah, so a lot of options for you to develop your analytics. Yeah. All right. So what else then? Number of records. Number of records. What do you mean by number of records? Okay. So another. Let me show you another one. I just have the data. Yeah. So I'm not just trying to guess what kind of information if I need to get some insights from the data. Yeah. Name. What is name? What is name here? Stands for the bedroom in Prime Williamsburg. Okay, this is the lowest data then. The bedroom in Prime Williamsburg. This in Brooklyn. Okay. So. Okay. So let's have it name. Name. Filter. Okay. Automate. So we got to filter it by neighbor first. Bronx. Apply. And then you put name. Add all member. So this is the Bronx only. And then in this area, how many beds do they have? Do they sell? Oh, all right. Okay, this is the sales of bed. So how much? Put in the label. Okay, 2 beds, 3 beds. Really? Oh, they only have 2 beds, kah? Oh, this 1 bedroom, 2 beds. one room, one bed. Oh, okay. This one is two bedroom, two room, four. Okay, they have four beds. Yeah. So you can have it swept like this. Okay. So if you want to, okay, this one is nine beds. Okay, nine beds. Okay. So what can you do about this? What about the ratings for each of them? The rating scores. You can have it in the color. Okay. The deep blue, the dark blue will be high rating, 100. Light blue will be low rating. So there is this one is light blue. So let's sweep it again. Okay. Okay. So this one is the one that is offering his or her apartment to be rent by the customer. Okay. So this is the name. Okay, and then the host ID. Okay, this one is the name, yeah. So this is the good one, the good one. And then what about the using the host ID? I'm interested also using the host ID. Host ID meaning it is unique number, yeah, unique number, and then the beds, yeah, unique ID, the beds, and the score ratings. Okay. Score ratings kah? This is score ratings. Okay. Wait a second. Review. Oh, price kah? Okay. Price. Okay. This is the cheapest one, and then this is the most expensive one. Okay. And then what about the neighborhood? Okay, the neighborhood. In Brooklyn and Manhattan, and then in by year, by the number of reviews. Okay, the price kah? The price label. All right. Okay. And then we can have it filtered from the highest one to the lowest, the highest price to the lowest price. Filter Atmos. Okay. Yeah, Atmos first. Okay. All right. Wait a second. No. The okay. Edit filter. All right. Cancel. Oh. Okay, so this one was to see whether it is in the lowest price or the highest price. Okay. Okay. So, right. So basically, a lot of analytics that you can develop. Yeah, this one is using the let's see using the circle one. All right. Not interested. Okay. So okay, what else do you can have, you can see using the latitude for the zip code. Yeah, but because of the data is so small, yeah, the area, let's say the neighbor in Brooklyn. All right. Okay, and then the beds. Okay, number of beds. Okay, because of the small, you cannot, because it's very detailed. Yeah. Okay, you have to zoom it one by one, but that's okay. Let's say in here using D. Yep. The point that after that you create your dashboard. Your dashboard. So you have a lot of data here. You have your okay, you can have your data here, and then you can create your sorry, for a second. You have to create your horizontal and vertical. Okay, so we have it here, and then you can head in below. Okay, so you can have two row of the column, and then you can have a horizontal here, vertical. This is horizontal, vertical on here, and then you can bring the, you can have the horizontal here. Okay, so you can bring this all into the dashboard. This one, let's say this one, put it into the dashboard, and then okay, this one is not too big. All right, yeah. Another here, yeah. Okay, so you can bring this down here. Okay. Right. Okay. Yeah. A lot of things you can do to develop your dashboard, and then after that you can okay. A second. This one is put it here. Okay, this one is put it here. Yep. And then you can have this one here. Yep. Yep. So basically this is create your for analytics and then put it into one dashboard, and then see what the information or the area of improvement that you can offer to Airbnb for their future business. Yeah, let's say, okay, in Manhattan is good, okay, and basically what is important in Manhattan is most likely, what do we call that? Manhattan is apartment, yeah. What is the most sales in Manhattan? Yeah, Manhattan is, this one is apartment, yeah, so the highest one. So give more, let's say the potential is there, but we need to drive the apartment the most. So we need to increase more for the apartment, because so each city has its own needs. Manhattan needs is apartment, so focus apartment in Manhattan, something like that. In Brooklyn, also apartment. But for the house, if the people is interested in the house, let's say there is a clustering of people. There is a clustering of people that is apartment profile. When they go to Manhattan, you can offer the apartment to him. And if it is the people that is landed house interest, so you can offer it to the in Manhattan, in which area, which where is the which one is the which area offer the house. Let's say in here, okay, this one. Okay, so I want to see the area, the neighborhood edit filter. Brooklyn, okay, Brooklyn. But I want only for the house. Okay, for 30 type, put it here. House in Brooklyn. Who offer it? Okay, this one is the house. Apartment homestay, kah? This one is edit filter. Only house. Okay. So basically, these are the provider that provide the house, homestay family. Yeah. So you can offer which one is the highest scores of review. This one is huge room, sleep 4, something like that. So there is analytics that you can provide to your potential customer. So far so good? Capish?
Mantap.
All right, cool. So basically that's about it. And then you forget not to develop the title, yeah. And then you create your story. What is your recommendation? So for this area, what is your recommendation? Okay, for this price in this area, is there something wrong with that? Okay, from here you can see the city business focus. In Manhattan, Brooklyn, you focus on apartment. Yeah. For house, this is the area that you focus. So maybe you can separate your sales. Apartment sales, the sales for apartment, and the sales for houses. Yeah. So because the know-how is kind of different for each of the room type, yeah, apartment or the house. All right, any questions? Questions? No questions? So far so good? All right.
So good.
All right, cool. And I don't think we need another what we call it, session for the Tableau. Yeah, supposedly all good. Yeah, so the data is there. You can drag and drop, create the chart, combine it into the dashboard, and then save it into the TWBX file for Tableau. And then what is the insight from that data? What kind of insight do you can offer to the Airbnb? I think only BNB. So what about the home sales? I see only one column of data. I'm not sure what happened.
Home sales is a bit confusing, Pak.
Okay.
There's only one tab.
I have
Can you share?
Yes, Pak. Yes, Pak.
Masih berantakan jadi datanya.
Okay. I also wonder what kind of data, because I only see one.
There is the data, Pak.
Oh, this is good actually. Okay, you have the whole data. So why I only have one column?
Because I convert it to Excel, Pak.
Saya masih berantakan Pak. Jadi
Mine also, Pak. It's because it's CSV.
Okay, open the Tableau, Iqbal.
Tableau, ya Pak.
Yes, open the Tableau or open the data with Tableau. This is very interesting. I even see this home sales more interesting than Airbnb if seeing the data like that, yeah.
Wait, but where is Tableau?
You open the Tableau then? You haven't opened the Tableau yet?
Right. Can you see that, Pak?
Yeah. Open the file.
It's like this, Pak.
Yeah, good. Okay. Open the one chart. Okay.
But it is a bit confusing about what is DT code, DT dash, and something
Open
like
the
this.
data source. Open the data source. Let me explain.
Data source.
No. Yeah, the bottom one. Yeah. Okay. Maximize the page. So per name. So this is uh, per name. This is I don't know the same date all. Not sure.
All of these are the dates, Pak.
Huh?
Per name is dates. Dates and year.
Dates and year. Dates of the
Yeah.
application kah? Application date maybe. The application date
Perhaps.
in okay. And then the category code. It is sold. Yeah. Sold for sale. This is the for the house the home sales the category sold for sale, yeah. So you want to know with the area with this sold or already for sale, already sold, yeah. And then the category description, bring to the right, yeah, okay. This is the category for the family. So new single family houses, yeah. Okay. New single family houses for sale. Yeah, okay. This is the category description. Indent is no indent. Indent meaning that the house will need indent. Let's say this is new house. If this is 0, no indent. 1, indent. So this is binary data, 1 and 0. And then DTIDX. DTIDX 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. DT. What is DT? I don't know. DT code is median, not sim, under, cam, total, monsub, total. What is median? Median sales price. Houses. For the DT description, yeah, bring that down. DT description. Median sales houses that are not started, houses that are under construction, that are completed. So this is new house, yeah. So if you order, you want to purchase, they develop the house for you. This is house that are not started. So you buy empty land. Houses that are under construction, yeah. So this is still in under construction. You buy, yeah. And then houses that are completed, it is unit ready. Yeah. And then to the right, doll, K, I don't know. And then, okay, geocode, USA. And then geo description, United States. Adjustment, valuation is the house price, valuation. $17,200. So if you want to buy, the price is there, the valuation. And then serial ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. This is the unit ID, yeah, unit ID. Okay, interesting. Okay, create one table, create one chart. Okay, so bring back to the data source. To the left. Okay. So category code and to the right. To the right. Okay. Geo description only United States kah? No country,
Yes, Pak.
no country region.
It's only United States, but somehow it's always Midwest, Northwest, something like that, Pak.
Where is Midwest, Northwest?
Oh, in here is only United States then.
Okay. All right. So, okay. So open the sheet, and then the salt unsalt. What is the salt? The category category code.
Category code ya, Pak?
Yes, category code. Bring to the row or column, whatever. Salt, and then the number of records.
Number of records. Where is it?
Down there, yes, that one. Nah, all right. So put the number of record to the label. No. Label kah? Already put in label? Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
why the for sale the price is there? Okay. All right. So you have salt 3,000, for sale 8,000. Salt. What is salt and salt? After salt.
Basara, what is assault, Basara?
Salt is
I'm
salt.
not quite sure. But assault means. I don't know those. Assault.
Not yet sold kah? Or salt. Okay. So you need to have the data dictionary here, yeah? Data dictionary.
That's even I couldn't find it in my dictionary, but assault.
Assault. Yeah, okay, no worries. Okay, so okay. Yeah, so put category description in. So let's say open the data source first. Data source. Per name is the same number on it. Category indent. Okay, data description. Put in the column data description.
This one, Pak?
Yes, in the column. Okay. So yeah, so this one is the report, yeah. So for sale is new single family, yeah. And then salt is new single family household. Okay. So so interesting. Salt all for annual rate for single family. Change the number of records into the color. All right, so something like that, yeah. Okay, back to the number.
Number or data source?
No. I mean back to the previous table, to the label, yeah. All right. So basically, we need to get the idea of the data dictionary first, yeah. So did Professor Singh provide the data?
Yeah, the professor provided the data, Pak.
The data dictionary. I mean, data dictionary. What is the?
Oh, no.
The meaning of the assault? No. Did he provide the data? No, yeah.
No, Pak.
No, but I think the assault means annual sold, like because there is an annual. Go back to the. I think the assault means it was how many sold it annually. I think.
Yeah. Okay. No worries. Okay.
The annual rate for the new single family.
Okay.
Annual rate.
Okay. So yeah, that's the data. Yeah. So we need to see the data first. So see data source, and then what kind of information that is kind of interesting for you to have. Yeah. So how can you drill down the data, go deep into the data, so you can see what is the real problem in the area if the sales going down, yeah. So you can also put the like in the Airbnb year by year, so the trend analysis year on year trend. So and then on top of the description, the area, the country code, etc. So basically create 4 analytics that you think will be needed by Airbnb or by the home sales to for you to be that is interested for you to analyze and then create a recommendation for that. What kind of recommendation? You should go deep, not only on the top of on the agnostic level, on the global level, but you supposedly when you conduct analytics, you tell what is the real problem. What is the real problem? Not only okay, sales going down. What is the problem? Why? The question that is need to be answered is why. Why that happened?